Okay guys, it's a windy day as you can tell with my hair and yeah, Andrew's hair too. It looks wonderful. So we are going to fly a kite and it's gonna be sick. We haven't even got to the windy part yet. So yeah, see you there. Okay, so we're getting towards the top. We got this hill here, and it's very tiring. But at the top it's super windy. Here comes wind. The great and powerful wind. We reached it to the wind. Okay, we're here. So, there's a kite in the sky, and if you get hit, you don't want to be hit. And the one who gets hit the most times has a loser dare, and winner gets to decide the loser dare. Watch out! Oh! I really missed that one. It's coming! Holy! It started again. I got hit once and Austin's still at 0. Yeah. Hit Austin! Other way. What? It's coming in! Oh, I barely survived. It's like a hawk. It's perfect for me! I did not see that. Were you hit? No. Oh! Headshots count. No laying down. Yeah, you can lay down.
0. I'm at 3, sadly. What? Yay! 3-1. 3-1. I'm still losing. I don't want to have to do the loser dare. If it was anything like last videos. It's coming. It's dead. Austin's getting it set up. It's up. Now it's Austin's turn to hold the phone. Oh.
No! No! It's 3-2! I'm still winning though. It's 3-2-2. It's dead again.
Austin, get in range of the kite.
I am.
No, you're not. You're 5 feet away. Where is it?
Were you hit? It's like a war zone out here. It's dead. Yes!
Dang it!
That's 4-2.
Get Austin, please.
Here.
It's still oh! Oh! That was a close one. Oh, it just fell. It's tiring.
What?
Other way.
Okay. We have to go.
Oh, dang it. I have to do the loser dare. No!
Pick it
sad day. Look at this beautiful reservoir. So good.
So guys, I beat Andrew. So I'm gonna think of a loser dare. And it's gonna be a good one. Because if you haven't seen the other video where he got me, you should go check it out. But I'm gonna get him good.
Okay, sadly, I lost the challenge. But, okay, so down in the comment section, put some dares, like ideas of dares that we can use in next videos. And, yeah. Well, see you in a bit.
The loser dare I decided for Andrew is I'm gonna make him a marshmallow, but it's gonna be filled with ketchup and a bit of mustard. So I'm gonna make that right now for him.
I hope what Austin is choosing for the loser dare for me isn't as bad as what I did to him last time. Please be forgiving, Austin. Please. No. It involves ketchup. Dang it. Ketchup
Now walk out of here.
and mustard.
I want you to see my
Milo. Hi, say hi. Austin's being to go now.
Okay, so I'm gonna carve kind of into this marshmallow here. This looks. I hope this works. Yummy marshmallow. Let me put some mustard in first. I'll shake it up for him. Oh yeah. Let's get that down there. And then we'll get some ketchup. Guess I'll shake this up for him too. There. And add a yellow cherry on top. Okay, I think that's good enough.
So, apparently, Mommy left a gift. Ugh. I know I was mean to you last time, Austin, but not this mean. I'm never gonna eat a marshmallow in my life.
So what do you think it is?
I think it's a marshmallow with mustard and ketchup.
Okay, so
So
you're
gonna eat it. How did you even fill this up? Is this all filled with mustard and ketchup?
Kinda. I don't know.
How about I lick it?
Hey, at least I gave you something nice and sweet. Eat it all.
It already tastes so bad.
Take a big bite.
No, what kind of mustard is this? It's some. Is it like?
Take a big bite. Take a bite. You have to. Take a big bite. And see what's inside. Mommy wants you to eat all year. Mommy left a gift and she won't be happy if you don't eat it. Okay, well, we'll leave you there.
So, thank you for watching our video, and yeah, like and subscribe with that notification bell.
And make sure you join our Discord, and you can talk to us through Discord, and it's pretty sweet. So you should do that and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.